Welcome back to another Halo Innovations YouTube video. Today we're going to walk through how to update your table to the newest version and where you can download the update files. We're going to start at the Halo Innovations website and navigate to the Downloads button and select Table Updates from the drop-down menu. On the Updates page, select the file that matches your table. These files will be saved in your Downloads folder unless you've changed your default settings. Locate the folder that you just downloaded and extract or unzip the folder. This can be done by right-clicking the folder and selecting Extract All or Unzip. Which one it says will depend on your computer, but it will work the same for both. After unzipping the folder, it will open a new window with all of the unzipped files. Open the folder, and inside you'll see two PDFs which cover the same thing this video will, so if you prefer to use a manual over a video, go ahead and use those. Open the Update Files folder. Next we'll load these files onto a USB stick and bring that to our plasma table. Please keep in mind that the USB stick needs to have a storage of 16 GB or less, or the table won't be able to read it.
Now that you have all of your updates installed on the USB key, we're going to prepare to install them on your table. First, I'll recommend that you go into your setup menu and take a picture of each one of the submenus to ensure that you have a backup history of all of your settings or custom settings that you may have entered in the machine. Next, I'll recommend that you go into your cut parameter chart and take a picture of any of the settings that you might have entered yourself for customized values. Don't forget that you have 3 pages of values available. So next I'm going to install the operating system update. I'll do that by pressing and holding down the arrow key while releasing the e-stop to power up the unit. I'll see the update screen appear on the screen and the update automatically starting. Once the update is finished, you'll see a prompt to reboot the unit. If it did not attempt to install, or it did not recognize a file on your USB key, it will simply prompt you with UDisk or file not found. Next, I'm going to update the torch height controller. So that option is done in the Diagnose menu under T Update. Press Enter to confirm the prompt. And again, the file will start uploading, providing a status in the bottom corner. If no status is updated, there may be a communication error or a USB error. After the update is complete, it will prompt you to press any key to return to the menu. So now that we have the base system and settings updated, we've also provided default system parameters that you can upload to the machine as well. So we'll go back into the setup menu and then press number 8 for import from local import parameters. So I'm going to import the parameters from the local UDisk. Be sure that you've selected the appropriate file for your table. Pressing enter after it's uploaded will return you back to your home screen, and then those default values that we've now entered will be loaded into these settings. We've also provided a default parameters for the customer's cut chart, so please be sure to enter press number 9 to enter your power chart and input parameters to reload everything. Now you do have a backup of your system settings on your USB key, but we also recommend exporting the current original system parameters to the machine. So we'll press number 7 and export the system settings to local disk. We like to call it Halo Innovations Original, so we'll just go i-org, and we'll save that file. If you're not sure if you have the current versions of the updates installed on your machine, you can view the SF70 version in the Diagnose menu, and you can view the THC version in the Setup menu under THC.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.